pilots, this is Pete with BananaHobby.com. This is your flight review of the 50mm F-86 backpack jet, now with the BS2X Gyro Stabilization unit built in or included. And what it is basically it's a gyro that will control your ailerons and your elevators, and it makes for an extremely stable flying platform. We're going to make a whole series of videos all across the board with these 50mm backpack jets with the BS2X units in it. This makes transitioning from, for y'all that are going from a propeller airplane into an EDF jet very, very easy, because when I hand launch this, there's almost no stick movements and they stay extremely flat. And this is just a new technology going forward here. This is along the same lines as the BS3X in the e-flite systems. And you know, it's comparable to something like that, but we're able to have it in an EDF jet now in this size. And this just makes for your flying experience all the more better. There is a nitro powered airplane in the air, so it's a little loud, so I apologize for that. But let's go ahead and fly the F-86 Sabre here, 50mm series with the BS2X. That is your flight review of the F-86 Sabre 50mm backpack jet with the BS2X gyro system in it. You can see the flight was extremely stable, and it was almost, I almost didn't even have to touch the sticks. Especially the gyro system takes over when you're flying inverted. Usually you're giving it a lot of down elevator to hold the airplane inverted, but the gyro system actually takes over. And it was I didn't even have to touch the sticks almost for inverted flying with this F-86 here. It just actually flies really great here. If you choose to not use the gyro, you can always take it out and put it in a different airplane. This is just a great part of this RC hobby, is taking that gyro and then placing it in other different types of airplanes and then enjoying flying with this BS2X gyro system here. F-86 backpack jet, my name is Pete. Thank you all always for your support. Love to have you all follow us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook and subscribe here as well. We'll see you next time with a different backpack jet flight review.